Hi, Joanne Wilson here, and today I want to show you how to set up a coming soon page on your WordPress website. The particular plugin that we're going to be using today can also be used as to have a maintenance mode notification, but I use it to create a coming soon page with just a little information about my site, what's coming. This is the one we're going to create. It just has a background image, a logo, and just a little bit of information. Sometimes you just want people to be able to still find you and have a way to contact you, and that's what we're going to do today. First thing you're going to do is go to Plugins, Installed Plugins, and then click on Add New. In the search bar, you're going to search for Coming Soon page. It's the first one that will pop up. To install the plugin, you will click on the Install Now button. Once this is installed, we can click on Activate. And it will automatically take you to the page to set up your Coming Soon page. If you have one, the first thing you can do is upload a logo and add it to the Coming Soon page. To do that, in the logo field, next to it, you would just click the Media Image Library button. Since I don't have anything in my library, I need to upload my logo. Click on the Select Files button. Navigate to the window where your images are kept and click on the image and click Open. You'll see in the right panel there's some additional information that you can fill in. I have some alt text that you'll want to add that. It helps with your SEO using some keywords that also describe the image. You don't want to just throw keywords or key phrases into alt text if it doesn't have anything to do with this image. So make sure that your alt text does describe what you're trying to say. I want to center this and we're going to make it medium sized. Insert into post is the button you would select. Now you can add a headline from there. The headline I'm going to add is just the name of this website. Dreamcatcher Web Classes. Then what you'll want to do is add some text into the box, into the editing panel. As you'll notice, this panel is similar to a Word document panel or any other type of word processing type of program. You have the area where you can type in your text. You have some links to format that text as well. All right, I've added my text. I'm going to highlight all of this and I want to center it. I'm going to probably make it larger than normal paragraph tag here, so I'm going to make it heading 2. And my phone number, to make this a clickable link, you would highlight it, click on Insert Link, and then you're going to type in oops, not a capital, I'm sorry, TEL : and then the phone number. This will make this a clickable link, so when someone's on your website and they want to on their cell phone and they want to call you, all they have to do is tap the phone number and it'll automatically dial. Once you've typed in the link, you would click this little apply arrow and apply it. Now let's click on Save Changes at the bottom. There's going to be a lot more to add, but I just wanted to see how we're doing right now. Let's see. Right now, we just click on this tab, Live Preview, and that's going to show us where we're at. There's my logo, the header, and the text that I put in there. Okay. Okay, now we can do some more customizations to this. If you wanted to just leave that like that, that's perfectly acceptable. But I'm going to add some different a background image to this now. To do that, you would then click up here and go into the Design tab. All right, it's time to upload my background image. You can give it just a background color. We could just select something, a little bit of a gray. Let's save that just so you can see what that'll look like. Save changes. All right, let's see what this looks like now. See there, change the background. But I don't want to have a color, so I'm going to clear this. What I want is an image. To do that, you go to where it says background image and media library. I'm going to have to upload my image, so go to upload files tab, then click select files, navigate to where your image is, click on it, and then just click open. Again, if you have some alt text to add here, it's just good practice to add that every time as you're uploading images. It's a little bit harder to go back and do it later. All right. And then we just click insert into post. You don't have to do any formatting. This is trying to tell me to send me free background images. I don't want that. I'm going to take my email address out of there. Make sure you click responsive. It's automatically selected, so go ahead and keep it there. You do want cover, no repeat. I'm going to go with top center, center top, and fixed. Okay, so let's click Save Changes and see where we're at with that. Oh, it's getting there. Now our image is there, but you can't really read the text. So we're going to have to do something to make that text stand out like we did in this was our initial one. There's a box in there. So let's see what we can do to fix that. Now I want to put a max width of 800. I've done this before, so I know what I want it to look like. Enable well. This wraps the content in a box. Let's keep on scrolling down. All right, the text color is a little light for me, so I'm going to click on this color box and adjust my text down to a darker color. And my link color, I already have a color selected, but you can just change it at will, whatever you want it to be. This is the color I'm going to be using. Now let's save all changes. Let's take a look at it, see what we're at. See, now we have this box background color behind all my text so that it's visible, and we also have that background image. If you're ready for this to go live on your website, then click back on this Content tab and click on Enable Coming Soon Mode, and then save all changes. Now, anyone coming to your website will see your coming soon page, and you can continue to work on your website without worrying about other people, everyone seeing what you're working on and not having it look really nice. Thank you, and we'll chat again soon.